We hear comments from time to time from people that they love the drills, but they can't do those drills on their range. It's too restricted. They can't move off the line, or their favorite gravel pit's closed down, what have you. So we don't use airsoft as a replacement to live fire. We use it as an additive to our training.
I'm going to turn, look, it's empty, 2 shots in the close, 2 shots in the far. As soon as I leave that cover position, that's when my partner starts to move. I'll do a tactical reload here, lean out and shoot from cover.
Your attacker's moving towards you. You stand, you draw, you fire your gun. That's a huge disadvantage.
But on the range during draw and fire drills, I'll see people go for their gun first and then move their feet between the time at which they draw their gun and move their feet. That still puts you behind. You shoot your attacker and he doesn't go down. Standing and pulling on the trigger, hoping that he falls down, may not be the best plan.